everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone's doing fine today, doing quite well. We are here today to do a real good old-fashioned fried chicken with old pure lard. So I'm going to get together with you guys just a minute, but I'm first going to go to Hebrew 13:8. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forevermore. So I'm getting ready now to do the old-fashioned pure lard chicken frying. Okay?
And this is the money, her helper today.
All right. So I'm getting ready now to get my seasoning on.
Okay.
Should have put in little bitty things up. Here, I guess. Here. Stand up. You're going to stand up again. You can't.
And it's the Lard she using, y'all.
This is garlic right now. She put the oven in a few minutes ago. So. Wait just a minute and pour it out in there. Once I pour it out in there, you do it all at the same time. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to pour it out in just a minute. Let me pour it out in. Once I pour it out in, then you can... Stand up.
From my face.
Coming in right. Okay. This is the complete phase. Okay. Now I'm going to do paprika.
Watch this.
Okay. Now Mr. Miney is going to blend it in. So get started, lady. Just rub it over in there, okay? Just take it and rub it over in there like this, okay? Just rub it over in there. So rub it over in there. That's what we're going to do it. Turn it all over, there you go. And rub it into your seasoning real good. Turn it all over. Okay. And put just a little bit more in there. This is for the color. We don't want too much color, so there you go.
We're doing the same part back to back.
All right, so now I'm getting ready to put it in the flour. Make sure.
There's a big touchdown. What? You can't sing that. Please don't play.
Yeah, I already have some chicken thighs ready to go. Also.
Watch this.
All right. These are my chicken thighs over here already. They've already been seasoned. We have a little buttermilk in them and everything. So they already have everything in them. So I'm going to be putting it just a look. Don't put it on your clothes. Okay, now go throw your thumb in the trash.
Okay.
Go to the trash can. Throw your gloves in.
Wait a minute. No. You burn it way.
Yeah, I'll turn it over a little bit, then I'm going to shake it a little bit so make sure I want to stay on it. Okay.
Who remembers shake and bake?
Huh?
I was asking them who remembers shake and bake.
Shake and bake.
Mm-hmm. Used to be mix come in the box, and you shake it, and then you bake it. The chicken used to be good.
Chelsea.
Okay. I'm going to be putting them into my, what kind of pot you have in? Stone.
And it's a cast iron skillet from H2. What is H2Q?
HSN.
She got an HSN, but the brand is what's the brand?
HQ, yeah. HQ chicken. Okay.
It's a cast iron skillet.
With the pure Lard, girl. Okay, that's all I can get in there.
Y'all, anybody want to know where to get the skillet from? The cast iron skillet. She got it from HSN. And it comes with a H2Q kitchen, and it has a top. All right, thank you.
Okay, I'm back, ladies, with the finishing touches of my pure Lard fried chicken, and also I fried it in the new pot that I have here.
Give me my
So I wanted you all to see it, and this was in pure Lard only, and that's what I put it in. So yeah, you can do it a little different. I was trying to get them a little piece, let them taste it, but they're taking the whole leg, so that's okay. But anyway, I thank you, and I put the chicken breast as well as a chicken. I deboned the chicken breast, and I didn't debone the legs.
Thigh.
Huh?
Thigh.
Oh, I'm sorry. I deboned the chicken thighs, but I didn't debone the legs. They're extra large, and I didn't realize they were that large before I started, because I would just only put, instead of putting 5 or 6 in there, I would only put 3 at a time. But anyway, they came out really nice. They taste really good, and the girls are, and as you see, the girls are eating them really, really well. So if y'all can try the pure Lard, this is old-fashioned pure Lard in the stone pot. And so therefore, I hope you all will try this. And next time I'll cook them. I won't cook as many, and I'll cook them smaller, so it won't be so many in the stone at one time. So thank you also for listening, and thank you for watching this video. And this is all this food today is really off the chain. And I know the children they like all of everything. So thank you so much, and God bless you all. To have a happy day and a blessed week on whatever comes up. God bless for Miss Lena's Kitchen with all her love. Goodbye.